Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger only than Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet, because the iron oxide prevalent on its surface gives it a reddish appearance distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, having surface features reminiscent both of the impact craters of the Moon and the valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps of Earth. Mars is a dynamic planet with seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, extinct volcanoes, and evidence that it was even more active in the past. The smooth borealis basin in the northern hemisphere covers 40% of the planet and may be a giant impact feature. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are small and irregularly shaped. These moons may be captured asteroids, similar to 5261 Eureka, which co-orbits Mars in a 4-to-1 resonance with Phobos. NASA has been exploring Mars for decades, and in recent years, our understanding of the red planet has grown exponentially. Thanks to NASA missions like Curiosity and Perseverance, we now know that Mars was once a much wetter and warmer place than it is today. We've also found evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and even oceans on Mars. NASA's Mars research. NASA's Mars research is focused on three main goals: understanding the planet's past, present, and future. 1. Understanding Mars's past. NASA scientists are working to understand how Mars evolved from a warm and wet planet to the cold and dry desert world it is today. 1. They are also studying the planet's geology and climate to learn more about its history of habitability. 2. Understanding Mars's present. NASA scientists are studying the planet's atmosphere, surface, and interior to learn more about its current state. 2. They are also searching for signs of life, both past and present. 3. Understanding Mars's future. NASA is working to develop the technologies needed to send humans to Mars. 3. They are also studying the planet's resources to determine how they could be used to support a human presence on Mars. Some of the most interesting NASA research on Mars includes: 1. The discovery of ancient rivers and lakes. NASA scientists have found evidence of ancient rivers and lakes on Mars, suggesting that the planet was once much wetter than it is today. 1. This discovery suggests that Mars may have been habitable in the past. 2. The discovery of organic molecules. NASA scientists have found organic molecules on Mars, which are the building blocks of life. 2. This discovery suggests that life may have once existed on Mars. 3. The discovery of methane. NASA scientists have detected methane in the Martian atmosphere. 3. Methane is a gas that can be produced by both geological and biological processes. 3. This discovery suggests that there may be active geological processes on Mars, or even life. 4. The discovery of water ice. NASA scientists have found water ice in the Martian polar ice caps and in underground aquifers. 4. This discovery suggests that there is a significant amount of water on Mars, which is essential for life as we know it. Mars is a fascinating planet with a rich history. NASA's exploration of Mars is helping us to learn more about the red planet and its potential for habitability. Additional interesting information. 1. Mars is the only other planet in our solar system that has seasons. 2. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. 3. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are small and irregularly shaped. 4. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which is made up mostly of carbon dioxide. 5. Mars is a very cold planet, with average temperatures ranging from 87 degrees Celsius, 125 degrees Fahrenheit, at the poles to 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, at the equator. NASA's future Mars missions. NASA is planning a number of future Mars missions, including: 1. The Mars Sample Return Mission. This mission will bring back samples from Mars to Earth for study. 1. These samples will help scientists to learn more about the planet's history and potential for habitability. 2. The Mars Human Landing System, MHLS. This program is developing the technologies needed to land humans on Mars. 3. The Mars Base Camp. This mission would establish a permanent human presence on Mars. NASA's exploration of Mars is helping us to learn more about the red planet and its potential for habitability. The agency's future Mars missions will continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the red planet.